I just wanted to talk about my truck topper that I bought from Alibaba. It was about $2,000 in total, and it's aluminum. It came with the sliding windows, the flip up panoramic windows. It came with the Mali panel and the luggage carrier on top. I got the idea because I saw other YouTubers that got their SmartCap from Alibaba, and that made me want to give it a try, and it turned out pretty well. The supplier that I got it from, I got their info from another YouTuber. His name is Geoff something, but I'll link his video below. But yeah, so far I'm happy with it. I'll show you how it looks and everything. I'll show you the inside, the Mali panels, how it came packaged, and then also the brake light wasn't as hard as I thought it would be to install, but yeah. So this is what it looks like from the outside. It looks pretty nice with the luggage carrier. And then with my wolf box, I put the rear camera right there, but I'll show that in another video. So you can see it's pretty spacious. There's the inside. The panoramic windows, they only open from, or not open, but the sliding windows only open from the inside. And I got the Mali panels too. Same with the Mali panels here. And then the wiring for my brake light goes through here and there. It wasn't too hard to install. And then these, they're also lock and flip straight out. So this is how it looks from the outside. Each one of these locks, and it has its own cover so it doesn't rust the lock in there. Just unlock them. Then that opens up. You can see I got the Mali panels right here as well. And this is the window that slides open. Same thing for these. Mali panel in here also. And then that window's the same way. You can open and close the tailgate too, even when this is down. But you gotta make sure to install these rubber spacers so you're able to open and close that. Otherwise it'll rub. So you gotta make sure to install these, and then you'll be able to open and close it. Then the luggage carrier up here. This is where I put my Wolfbox camera for the rear camera. Got the third brake light all wired up. And then you just close it, lock it. And you wanna make sure you cover these. These lights are okay. The only bad thing is if there's ice or dirt, sometimes they don't close all the way. But I haven't had too many problems with them so far. That's how it's been working. So here is how it came, packaged up in these crates. I'm gonna show you how everything came packaged and parts of me putting it together. These are the panels, and it's not hard to install. You pretty much just screw them all together, and you want to make sure you put Loctite on every bolt. The instruction manual. And this is the thread locker I use, the Loctite. And these are all the components it came with, the clamps to attach it to the truck, and it came with some weather stripping. Like I said, it's not hard at all. It's aluminum, so the panels aren't too heavy. It's just takes a little long because there's a lot of bolts, but you want to make sure you get them all nice and tight, and then that is how it looks all bolted up. And then here you put the weather stripping, so it goes in between the topper and the truck. This is the roof rack part of it. This is how this came packaged up. And again, it's pretty easy. You just bolt everything together. It's just a little repetitive, and that's how it looks completed and then attached to the topper. And then here's just some shots that I took of my truck that I thought looked cool, and so you could get a nice visual of how it looks. But thank you for watching, and I'll leave all the links below and the manufacturer's information. And if you liked the video, if you could subscribe, it would help me out. Thank you.